What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you all today with a little bit of an unboxing. As you guys can see, if you guys are familiar with this is actually my first Simply Gilded box. I went ahead and signed up for it because I just absolutely love the thing. But before we get into what is inside, if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I do all things planner and craft related here, so if you guys are into those kinds of things, you will definitely enjoy this channel. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in. All right, I absolutely love that little gold packaging. It just gives you like a little bit of happiness once it's at your doorstep. So I got the Painted Garden Simply Gilded box. This is actually my first box. I believe there was like some, maybe a surprise item in here, I think. So if you don't want to be spoiled, don't watch this. I believe it is. I feel like I've read that somewhere or seen that on Instagram somewhere, that she does a little surprise item in her boxes. So like I said, I'm going to spoil the whole thing. So if you don't want to see what's in here, don't watch. But this is the box. Painted Garden. This is how it looks on the side. The back, which I think the little bunny is so cute. This is your season to bloom is what it says. Then just has Simply Gilded contact information on here. So opens up, looks like from the bottom, which I do enjoy. Now I did get the add-on, which comes with the additional washi. Fun fact, I've actually never owned any Simply Gilded washi, but I just seen this box and absolutely adored what was inside. So I was like, now's my chance to try it. So here we are. Oh, yep, it does come with a mystery item. So when I post this, I'll try to eliminate that from my posts. But here we go. We're gonna go ahead and go by what is on this list. So first up, we have foiled journaling cards. Let's see, are they inside of here? It may have a bit. No, those are all like washes. This is, I don't know, what's the foiled journaling cards? Is it this? Oh, it's just one. Okay, here it is. I'm all over the place. It says all the flowers of all the tomorrows are in the seeds of today, which is really cute. Like, you guys know, if you've been rocking with me for a while, I'm slowly starting to really appreciate florals. Like, I just absolutely adore this box. We have designer washi tapes, and that is what was inside of this. So let's go ahead and go into this. So like I said, I did get the add-on, so I have a little bit more washi than what comes with it. I don't know if this was the add-on. I honestly can't remember, but since this is all together, I'll show it to you as is. We have yellow with like a little bit of, is that stars? Yes, stars on it. I love that kind of green and ombre there. We have a gold one with some hearts, and then this pink ombre with bows on it. So I believe, it doesn't say if this was the add-on or not, but I believe it was the add-on. I just went ahead and added on. Like I said, I never had Simply Gilded washi, so I wanted to get the add-on and try it. So next up is this beautiful washi here. I'll try at the end to do kind of like a washi swatch. And just kind of have them all laid out on here so you can see in details which is which. I love this blue ombre one with the bows. This is absolutely adorable with the florals, and it has little peacocks, kind of like the theme that was on the box. There is 2 gold washis in here. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to give you guys a swatch because it's kind of hard to see these foils. But one is like bows with a line through it. The other is like hearts and little dots as well. Super, super cute. And we have this really thick one with a yellow pinkish ombre with the cute little bows. So definitely gonna give you guys a swatch of that. All right, so next up, what we got, deluxe sticker kits and seals. Okay, all right. So up first we have these little script with just functional stickers. Work, home, play. I love that. We have these tiny icons, which is really stinking cute. And these just look like boxes in those little functional hearts as well. We have some bows, which is too cute, with a little gold foil on it. Have the days of the week with some boxes and of course some functional things at the bottom there. And one more functional and just some deco boxes, and you have these little flags with your, we have the B6 Traveler's Notebook, which I believe this is that. You guys know I'm a discount girl, so I'm not, but the quality on this, even with the plastic on it, yeah, the quality on this is really good. I like it. And even the strings on here, really good quality. It's like a vegan leather. Have the little bow there. This actually is making me want to try a traveler's notebook. You have a pin loop, couple pockets, super cute. I like it, and it's really nice quality. And then of course we have B6 stitch binding notebook. So I believe that is this. The plastic was already coming off, so I'll just go ahead and take it off. And it is a dot grid notebook. It's not as thick as I would like it to be. I don't really know how, and it's stitched. I don't really know how thick these are supposed to be. And it says let your ideas take flight. So I'll go ahead and put that in here. Oh, this is really cute. The strings are super tight, but I am absolutely afraid to unloosen it and mess it up. So I'm gonna leave it as is. So that's that. And that's the B6. That is cute. That's really cute. That is going to be so cute with even more traveler's notebooks inside. All right, we have an engraved black gel pen. Is that in here? Yes, it is. So here is the pen. Let's get a little bit closer. Just have bows on it, which is really cute. Got a little notepad here. I just went through all of my Chicago Planner Conference stuff, so I have everything organized now. Just had one of these notepads that came from here, from CPC rather, not here. All right, let's do a little pen test. Ooh, that's a really glidey pen. I love it. I think that is super cute. This is definitely something that is going to stay in my desk because I don't want anything to happen to it. Super cute. Round tassel pouch. Oh, okay, duh. I'm like, what is that? That is this. So let's zoom out a little bit so you guys can actually see it. And that is super cute. I love this pattern on it. I absolutely wish it was like a pouch with like an elastic band that I can carry around with me, because I just absolutely adore this pattern. But then again, with it being mostly white, I could see it getting dirty with me traveling around with it. And of course it has the tassel. This is just so cute. I just want to like display it. I might just leave it on my desk. All right, so that's the pouch. We have the Sakura Jelly Roll pen, and I think that is what this is here. So let's get, yeah, it says Jelly Roll on it. So let's get closer. Do a pen test on here. Wow, that's really cute. And it's gold. That is really cute. I love it. Does it smear? It does smear. So you have to let it dry. But that is really cute. I'll probably use it on my spread this week. That is so cute. Okay, so then we have the foiled in acetate vellum. So here is the acetate, which is that floral with the peacocks. So cute, y'all. I'm always afraid to use vellum paper for some reason. I always feel like I'm gonna mess it up. but that is really cute. And then here is the foiled one. Oh, that's too cute. Let me see how it looks together. Ooh. Wow, that's pretty. That's really pretty. So you have that there. And then lastly is the mystery item. So based on everything that I opened up, I am believing this is it. So again, if you don't want to be spoiled, you can go ahead and click off the video. But looks like the mystery item is some washi cards. I'm not sure what you do with washi cards. Do you like roll washi on it or what? Like, what do you do with it? I think they're cute though. Really dainty. I like this one with the peacock on it. I think it's really beautiful. I just love, absolutely love this print. I think it's so cute, so pretty. Yeah, so I believe that is the mystery item, is the washi cards, because there is no mention of washi cards on here other than mystery item. So okay guys, so here is the washi all laid out. We'll do the add-on washi here because I want to get you guys as close as possible so you can kind of see the details, but I also don't want to waste my washi. That's why I have it still here on the side. So here it is. This is the add-on ones. You get 4 in the add-on. We have that pink ombre with the gold foil bows. Second down is the gold foil with white hearts. Third is like a bluish greenish ombre, and it has like gold foil leaves going through it. And lastly is like a peachy kind of color with some gold foil stars and specks. So that is the add-on washi here. And then we're going to move on down to the washi that comes in the actual kit. Let's see. Let's keep it right there. So first up is this beautiful floral. I absolutely love this and I can't wait to use it. Right here on the second row, this has to be my second favorite. I'll tell you which one is my favorite. We haven't seen it just yet, but I love the pink ombre. I love the bows. You know, all of us planner babes absolutely adore these bows. Third down is that bluish green ombre again, but this time we have the gold foil bows. And this here, I'm sure you all know, the fourth down is my absolute favorite. It has the florals and the peacocks. That is the running theme of the box. And then the last two here at the bottom are both gold foil. They are the skinny ones. I don't know like the millimeter of the washi, but y'all know what I mean. Skinny and thick is how I label it. But first of the gold is hearts with kind of speckles. They're both white. And second is a bow. See if you guys can see it. There's a bow right there, and there's like a line in between each bow. So bow, line, bow, line. All right, you guys, so that is the Painted Garden March 2020 Simply Gilded box. I really love it. I do love that she shows you pretty much almost everything in a box, but yet you still get a little mystery item. I kind of love the idea of a surprise, so to speak, but I don't like complete mystery boxes, if that makes sense. I like to know what I am getting before I get it. So it's kind of like best of both worlds with this box, when you get a little bit of a mystery item but you know everything else that is going to be in there. So that's that. I think I would make a decision. Like I said, this is the reason why I like to know what's in the box, because I can always make a decision if it's something that I want or something that I need to skip for that month. So I'll see what April box is going to be, and if it's something that I want, I'll keep it, and if not, I'll move on. So that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and as always, if you want it, plan it and do it.